Now it's time to give up props where the props is due. How do you do? All the things that you do, it's really true. Your grace and mercy just won't cease as you increase the kingdom. Through my rhymes and the beat, no one can defeat the one who can never be beat. I finally see how big you truly are to me. You're bigger than the highest mountain with the highest peak. Bigger than the fattest 808 on a tight beat. Seated up in the heavens on your glorious throne, keeping watch on all your children below. How do you know what every human mind can think and find time to remind every eye to blink? The link between us and you is tied so strong. You sent the Spirit to help us choose right from wrong. Long before I existed, you knew who I was. You deserve my praise, unconditional.
I love you for who you are. I give you my praise unconditionally. Wherever I go and whatever I do, I will worship you unconditionally.
God, you need to see what you really mean to me. You'll forever rule and reign gloriously, set us free from the chains of slavery, knowing we will lift your name above all things. King of kings, we thank you for saving us. Lord, we came to make your name glorious. You're my soul redeemer, my lover and friend. God, I praise you forever, cause on you I depend. To the end, you got my praise, my love and affection. My gaze will stay fixed in the upper direction. Perfection does not encompass what you are. No equal can be found from both near or far. Every star in the sky was made to glorify you. Every bird that sings gives their songs to you. You knew every morning, God, I bless your name. You receive every honor, cause you remain the same.
I love you for who you are. I give you my praise unconditionally. Wherever I go and whatever I do, I will worship you unconditionally. No place I'd rather be than here underneath your wings. Refuge, stronghold, and yet my closest friend. Never have you disappointed, never have you let me down. Cornerstone, my rock, and sure foundation.